Welcome to another lesson from Youngblood. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play cotton candy. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the first part I'm going to show you is the lick during the verse. So you're going to start by placing your pinky finger on the 12th fret of the A string and your ring. So the first part I want to show you is the lick during the verse. So you're going to start by placing your pinky finger on the 12th fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 11th fret of the D string. And you're going to strum this twice. Next, you're going to leave your pinky finger on the 12th fret of the A string, and you're going to lift your ring finger and place your pointer finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and you're going to strum this 3 times. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the verse. So the verse starts in an A5 chord, so you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the B string, and you're going to strum this twice. Next is an A major chord. So you're just going to lift your pinky finger and leave your pointer finger where it is, and you're going to strum this another 2 times. Then we're going to go back to the A5 chord and strum it once. Then back to the A major chord and strum it one more time. Then we're going to go to an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. Next is a D major 7 chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. Then we're going to go to a D major 7 sus2 chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string and your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the B string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the solo. So for this, we're going to start by sliding up to the 6th fret of the G string twice. Then you're going to pull off from the 6th fret of the G string to the 4th fret. Then 7th fret D string, 6th fret D string, and you're going to hammer on to the 7th fret of the D string. Then 2nd fret D string, and you're going to slide up to the 7th fret twice. Then you're going to go back to the 2nd fret of the D string and slide up to the 9th fret. Then 11th fret D string. Then you're going to slide up to the 12th fret of the D string and back down again. Then you do that whole first part again. Except once you get to this part, you're going to go to the 9th fret of the D string and slide up to the 11th fret. Then 9th fret G string, and you're going to hammer on and pull off on the 11th fret of the G string. Then 11th fret G string, and you're going to slide down to the 6th fret of the G string. Then 4th fret G string, and you're going to hammer on to the 6th fret of the G string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for cotton candy. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.